how to make a character in Character AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply log into your Character AI account, and after that click on this option of create, then select the option of create character. Now accept the terms and conditions, and over here you can name your character. So let's give it a name, and after that you can type the greeting for this particular character. So as soon as someone starts to chat with them, they can come up with this greeting. If you want to enable the image generation for this particular AI, then after that this particular AI will be able to generate images alongside texts. And after that, just select whether you want this particular AI to be public or unlisted or private. Just choose it accordingly. After that, you can create an image for this particular AI, or you can choose a file from your computer that you can give it to this particular character. So let's create an image for it. Just create an avatar for it and then set that particular image as avatar and click on create and chat. And if you want to see more or advanced features for this particular character, just simply click on edit details. Then you would be able to see some more options about it, like you can add the starters for this particular character, and also short description, long description is also there. You can also select category over here. There are various categories in which a character can be designed, so you can just select it accordingly. Suppose this particular character is about animals, so we will select animal over here, and this way you would be able to customize it in a better way. And that's how you do it. After that, just simply save it. After that, just simply click on this option of create and chat. And now you can just simply chat with this particular character, or you can also share it up with your friends. And this is how you create character on Character AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.